Alright, this is word problem number 6 on page 316, self-test 1. And what's described is, I can't remember if it's a garden or a pool, but I think it's a garden or something. And it's 11, and I also don't remember if it's meters or feet, but it's 11 by 13, and it's surrounded by a walkway that's all the same width. And you're supposed to find the width of the walkway. We've done problems like this before. So the total area, if we were to compute this from the outside dimensions, the total area of this whole thing is going to be 143 plus 180, so that's 323. So if I multiply together the outside dimensions, the length times the width, I get 323. So if from here to here is 13 and the walkway is x this direction and x this direction, then this outside dimension is 13 plus 2x. And if it's 11 meters or feet from here to here, then this is x and this is x, so that whole thing is 11 plus 2x, that dimension. So when I multiply together the length times the width, then I get the total area of 323 square feet or square meters or whatever units we're in. I don't remember, and I apologize. Anyway, I think it's meters. So if I multiply this out, I get 143, let's see, plus 26x plus 22x, so plus 48x plus 4x squared is 323, and then I subtract 323 from both sides and get this in standard form, minus the 180 equals 0. So anyway, now before we start doing anything to solve this, let's just divide the 4 out. We could factor it out to the front, but we can divide both sides by 4 and cut this equation down to something a lot more manageable. So x squared plus 12x minus 45 equals 0, and I can see that that's going to factor easily. So factors of 45 that add to positive 12 would be a positive 15 and a negative 3. So plus 15x minus 3x gets me my positive 12x in the middle. So x is 3, so the walkway is 3 meters wide, or x is negative 15, which is not feasible, right, to have a negative dimension for a walkway, a negative width. So that's, not feasible in the real world. So the answer would be that the walkway is 3, again, meters or feet wide. And that's it.